Hi, this is Erica with Your Classroom Academy, and the strategy this week is marking the text. No matter the content area, when you're having students read an academic text in class, you want to be very clear about the purpose. So why you're having students read that text, close read, meaning that you're having them mark the text, and then what you want students to be looking for as they are annotating and interacting with that text. So you're having them read it for a specific reason, and then what are they looking for as they're reading it? If they're just looking for the main idea and supporting details, great. So that's what you're asking them to look for. And then how do you want them to mark that? Is it underlining, highlighting, circling? Just be very clear. So I coach to chunking the text, so organizing it in a way that makes the most sense for the purpose, and then underlining main ideas and circling keywords. So again, keywords specific to the prompt. So maybe it's keywords that are related to the main idea. So not necessarily academic language or vocabulary words. It could just be words that come up a lot in the text that are related to the main idea. So really be clear about why you're having students read that academic text. And also, do they need to read the entire text to meet the standard that you're having them read for, or can they read a portion of the text and still meet that standard? So as the teacher, thinking critically about the lesson that you're designing and really designing the lesson with intent in mind. I also coach marking the text on notes because notes are text. So when we have students revisit their notes and annotate their notes, that's another version of marking the text. And it's the same strategy, except that the text that students are interacting with are their own notes that they created in class. So it's the same idea. They reread what they wrote. They organize it in a way that makes the most sense to them. They underline what they need to underline based on your prompts or your guidance, circle key terms. They would add questions or they would make connections. They might add notes or additions in the margins. So marking the text is very teacher-led and driven initially. And then as students understand what you're looking for, they're going to be able to do it more and more independently. Obviously, this is more so with secondary students, but elementary students can absolutely learn how to do this and learn how to do it independently.